Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is that you are watching my channel. Brady Theodore here, and today we are going to build a brand. Now, before we start, I would like you to go below, subscribe to my channel, touch that bell, be notified when I come back with more pertinent content for what you're doing in your home business. Now today, I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read a couple of notes. What we want to talk about is building a brand through video content, since video content is the #1 way to go in 2018 and beyond, even more so on YouTube. It's got a greater reach. People can see you. They can get to know you, they can get to like you, and they can get to trust you. They may not see all three areas through the camera, but they do have a chance to interact with the person that is promoting the product. So the first thing you need to do when you are beginning your marketing journey is to know what niche you want to be involved with. Find what lights the fire, that gets you passionate, excuse me, that you can become an authority on. If you're not passionate about your product, you're going to go nowhere. If you're not passionate about the business or opportunity that you are trying to promote, you will go nowhere. If you cannot get on camera, if you cannot be in front of people personally, you're going to go nowhere. So start with your videos. Start with the branded product or niche that you want to be involved with. Now, when you're on your videos, it does not matter really if you want to produce content that's inspirational, that inspires people. They will get to know you that way. It can be motivational. You can motivate people through your content. It could be a how-to about the product or service that you're involved with. Any one of those three areas, again, when you're in front of the people, they can get to know you much better and realize that you are an authority on the brand or product that you are involved with. Then be yourself. Be transparent. Have a personality. Don't try to be somebody that you're not. For so long, I would get on my Facebook Lives or on my very, very first, and I have not produced that many, but on my first videos, I was a salesman. I was trying to be a TV broadcaster, a news anchor, trying to be somebody that I just, quite frankly, was not. And now that I've done quite a few Facebook Lives, I've done some Instagram posts where people see me, I'm producing YouTube content, I know that people are watching. Does it make me feel uneasy? At times. But I know that deep down, there are going to be, out of the billions of people on this earth and the billions of people that are on social media, out of those billions, there has got to be hundreds, thousands, even hundreds of thousands of people that are connecting with me for who I am, for what I have to say, for the way that I look, for the way I speak, the way I sound. All these come into play, and I know that it makes people feel uneasy, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. The more that you get to know your brand and product or opportunity, the more that you can be an authority on it, the easier it is to talk about it. So you want to find the niche that you want to be involved with that really makes you passionate, that you want to be the authority figure on. A second tip, when you find your brand, you're promoting your product, you're being visual, you have to drive the traffic. Now, of course, being visual and people seeing you is, in a sense, driving the traffic. But there's another step you have to take. You have to have a call to action, a CTA, someplace or somewhere that people can go to see exactly what you are talking about. Whether it's verbal and you tell them where to go, whether it's down below in the description with your links, it has a place for people to go so that they can see what it is exactly that you are talking about. You can get on camera and talk and talk and talk, do all the talking in the world, but if people have nowhere to go during or after, what's the point? Well, there would be none. So give a clear call to action. Like example, go below, subscribe to my channel, touch that bell, be notified about when I come back onto YouTube. That is your call to action. In the links below, you can have links to whatever you're talking about, whether it be a PDF, a how-to video, an extended video about your product promotion, even the business page itself. You can do it that way. I will take back the business page itself because that's not the smartest call to action you can have. But you want to be producing content that is valuable, that piques interest, that will drive your traffic, and then have the call to action along with it. On top of that, you have to have within your call to action a way for people to leave you an email. Most assuredly, it's a sales funnel. Some type of funnel that's got your email list built in so that you have an autoresponder, so that you have a way to collect the information you need, whether it's an email with a name, with a phone number, with an address, with all the pertinent information you need for that particular product or opportunity. Without an email list, you will have no way to get in contact with these people again. Now, within your email list or within, let's say, your link, this is why I said you do not want to send somebody directly to a company or promotion. Because if they go directly to the company or the promotion, you have lost any way that you had to get back with these people. So as they're watching you on the videos, you have a clear call to action that they can go to a link, they can go to a website, something that you own where you have your sales funnel, where you can then get the information that you need so that you can reach back out to these people in the future. And it's good to have because maybe they do like your product. Maybe they do like you, but that product just wasn't for them at that particular time. But in the future, you may have something that they do want, whether it be information, whether it's a product, whether it's an opportunity. But if you have no way of getting back in touch with these people, they're lost forever. So of all the billions of people using social media, you've got hundreds of thousands of people that like you. They want to see you again. They want to connect with you. And if you left no way of doing that, you're lost forever. Subscribe to my channel. Get notified when I'm coming back. Go below. Look at the offers that I have, the information that I have that will help you build your brand, that will help you build your email lists. These are all call to actions. And those particular call to actions are below in my description. So if you take the time to subscribe to my channel, look at my #1 way of collecting an email address using the autoresponder so you can get back to people, you have it. So that, to me, in a nutshell, is 3 tips that you need. You need to create content, and you need to do it often, regularly and consistently. You need to drive traffic to your sites. The only way to do that is with some type of page or funnel. And you need to collect email addresses so that you can contact people back. That's my 3 branding tips for today. I hope that they were helpful. I hope that they are useful. And whether you use products that I have or not, you do need to do these 3 steps to brand yourself, drive your traffic, and be able to get back to the traffic that you have driven to your sites. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will be back again real soon with some more tips and tricks and helpful information. So thank you. Come back again real soon.